Vida and today we're going to be making chocolate mug cake. This is the simplest recipe to make when you're craving for a chocolate cake. This literally does not take 5 minutes. So without any further ado, let's see how we can make this. First I have a mug over here and into it I'll add in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 4.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can also use regular granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now give all these a good mix. Now that's mixed well and let's add in 2.5 tablespoons of oil, 4.5 tablespoons of milk, and again give all that a good mix. You don't want any lumps to pop out. Now that's mixed well, let's add in a few chocolate chips to make it super chocolatey. Let's pop this in the microwave for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now my mug cake is out of the microwave. It is perfectly baked and you can see all the chocolate chips have sunk to the bottom. So I'm gonna add a few more chocolate chips to make it extra chocolatey. And there we have a mug cake. Now let's take a bite into this super delicious mug cake. It's super fudgy and you can see it's really chocolatey. And of course I'll have to take a bite of this. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks once again and bye bye.